Bellwork 11A, question number 4. Do I have opposites? No, I do not. Do I have identical terms? No, I do not. Do I have multiples? Does 4 divide into 6? No, so 6 is not a multiple of 4. Does 2 divide into 3? No, so 3 is not a multiple of 2. So in other words, this is one of the none of the above problems. And when it's none of the previous 3, that means we're going to have to multiply both equations. So we're going to multiply both the top and the bottom equation. Now, do we want to use the coefficients 4 and 6, or do we want to use the coefficients 2 and 3? Well, I would like to use the coefficients 2 and 3 because they are smaller numbers. So go ahead and lightly box the y terms. Because the negative 2 is on top, I'm going to put 2 on the bottom. Don't worry about the negative sign. Just put the absolute value of that coefficient. So put 2 on the bottom. Since 3 is on the bottom, I'm going to put it on the top. Now, just to show you, this goes there, and that there. Are these signs the same or different? Well, they are both negative. Because both of them are negative, if I would multiply by positive 3 and positive 2, I would not have opposites because I would still have negative terms. So what I need to do is make one of the numbers out here a negative number. So let's go with the bottom one. Let's multiply the bottom by negative 2. Okay, so if we multiply the top, I have 12x, that was 3 times 4x, and that's how I got 12x. 3 times negative 2y would be negative 6y. 3 times 18 would be 24. On the bottom, negative 2 times 6 would be negative 12x. Negative 2 times negative 3 would be positive 6y. And negative 2 times 12 would be negative 24. So now we want to see what cancels. Well, we know the y's cancel because we purposely multiplied to cancel them. But if you look at your x terms, the x terms are also opposites, so the x terms are going to cancel, leaving nothing but 0 on the left side of the equation. And on the right side of the equation, I have positive 24 and negative 24. So they are also opposites, meaning that this side would also be 0. Well, when you have 0 equals 0, what type of solution do you have? Infinitely many solutions. Pause your video, make sure you have all of that written down. All right, that is it for Bellwork 11A. If you have any questions, please let me know.